What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing to this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. I want to solve this trigonometric equation. It is a very simple equation. It is 2 sine theta equals to 1 and I need to solve it for theta between 0 and 2 pi. So I'm gonna isolate it for sine theta. Sine theta will be equal to 1 over 2. And we know theta, when theta equals to pi over 6, sine pi over 6 will be 1 over 2. But we need to have another answer as well. So we have these two. Why? Because based on the cast rule, we have quadrant 1 and quadrant 2 to be positive. So one answer is going to be pi over 6, the other answer is going to be pi minus pi over 6. This one is pi over 6, so it's going to be pi minus pi over 6. So these two answers, pi minus pi over 6 is going to be 5 pi over 6. So we have two answers, pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. And in degrees it's going to be 30 and 150 degrees. These are going to be the two answers to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave related playlists in the description in case you need extra help. And if you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.